Alright, so when it comes to these transformations, there's equations, that go with them in the graphs. So there are a total of 4 things that you have to find to make each equation. It's amplitude, period, key point, and left endpoint. To find the amplitude, well, here's the equation itself first off. So you have y equals a times sine or cosine. It doesn't matter which one. It just depends on the equation. And then inside the parentheses is b times theta plus or minus c plus d. You don't have to have each one of these in every equation. Like, the examples I use just use one part. So like for the vertical, there's a vertical stretch, for vertical stretch and shrink, you will just see like this part. You won't even see all this other stuff. So anyways, the amplitude is the a in the equation, and that determines your horizontal change. The period, to find that, is 2 pi divided by b, which changes the vertical, sorry. Your key points, you do 1/4 times your period, and that will change your x-axis. So that'll, like what you go by each time. And then your left endpoint, to find that, you set what's inside the parentheses here. And you'll only need to use this on certain things, like what I was saying, vertical stretch and shrink is only this part, so you won't even have to use the left endpoint. You really only use the left endpoint in the horizontal shift, I think. Yeah, the horizontal shift. So really, most of the time you're just finding these first 3. So to do that, you just set what's in the parentheses to 0 and solve, and then that just determines where you start, instead of starting at 0 like you normally do in the other ones. So that's just a little background of this, and now I'll have 7 more videos explaining each one of the transformations. Stay tuned.